How customers can very easily use this chatbot for you booking a cake or any bakery products and adding it to the cart and buying. So you see how I was able to also put in my custom image for this option here to select a bakery chatbot. So I'm going to start a new chat, and you see how this whole chatbot is customized to include branding of the bakery store. So here we are. Happy to have you at Sweet Craving Bakery. What will you be having? So let's just go ahead and book some cake delivery. Or, oh, there you go. So there are all these cake options. You have classic vanilla, and you can toggle through them. Let's look at red velvet. So if you click on more details, it'll tell you about more about the cake, and here it gives you a description, and you can also add ingredients and recipes. I mean, you can go all in with this. We're going to see sizes and prices for now, and so here it's pulling out 8-inch, 6-inch, 10-inch, and you can pick your option, half sheet or full sheet as well. So let's just go with 8-inch. And here it's asking whether you want standard or gluten free. We go with standard. And you can add as many options as you like. Here it shows you the price, it tells you lead time. You can add to the cart, or you can go back to sizes or go back to cakes. So let's just go and add it to cart. And now it shows you any decorations or themes and so on and so forth. And you can pick one of those themes, and it'll include that into the price information and so on and so forth. So you can really customize this chatbot to your store. Of course, this one is for a bakery, but again, it can be built or customized for any business. I can think of hundreds of businesses who can use the chatbot on their website, or even on their Instagram page, or on their WhatsApp, business WhatsApp, and and this can be a very powerful tool, and quite honestly, first step into your AI automation journey. So, congratulations for being here and educating yourself with what's possible with an AI automation. And if any questions, or if you want have a curiosity to know more, just reach out to me. It's easy. All right, guys, take care.